Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change time settings for your TP-Link RE190 using app called Tether by TP-Link. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our device, and from here go to the tools, find system time at the bottom of the page, click on it. From here go for the time zone, because you can't edit it right here. You need to choose the time zone, select the time zone you want to use and press save. Now you can also enable daylight saving time, and you can set it when to start and when to end. And you can also pick a specific week, specific month, day or hour. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.